Geography time here at Fresh Ground Roasting. We're going to learn a little bit about where some of the earliest blends in coffee came from. I'm Eric. This is the Mug Life. I didn't choose the Mug Life. I did choose the Mug Life, but I didn't choose the Mug Life. The Mug Life chose me. That's the way it's said. So one of the blends of coffee that we have is our 321. Side note, named after our address, 321 Stevens Street. Got it? All right. 321 says on the bag, our take on a Mocha Java Blend. Common misconception is that Mocha Java Blend is a flavored coffee. We talked about flavored coffee in our last Mug Life. This is not flavored coffee. It has nothing to do with chocolate. Mocha Java is one of the earliest blends known in coffee. Blending is when we take coffee from two different regions and blend them together in order to achieve a particular flavor profile. Way back in the day when, like, the East India Tea Company was trading, ships would sail from Europe and they would go around Africa and they would land in Indonesia, particularly in the port of Java. And they would pick up really deep, earthy, full-bodied coffees. And then on their way back from Java, they would stop in the port of Mocha, which is in Yemen, in East Africa, right next to Ethiopia. And they would pick up other coffees that were typically more bright and fruity flavored. And they would bring them back to Europe. And roasters in Europe would take those two coffees and they would mix them together. And it became known as the Mocha Java Blend. It's named after the two ports, Mocha and Java, that those coffees came from. Now today, the concept is to take a bright and fruity coffee and a more full-bodied coffee and combine them together and get a rich spectrum of flavors in your cup. Most roasters, when they're doing a Mocha Java Blend, don't necessarily take coffees from Mocha or Java. Unfortunately, the political climate has changed. There are still pirates in Yemen, and it's hard to get good coffee out of there, although there is a little bit. And there's not that much coffee coming out of the port of Java, although there is quite a bit. It's a lot easier to get a hold of really good coffees from Sumatra, and Ethiopia is now one of the largest exporters of coffee in the world. So typically, in a Mocha Java Blend, a lot of times what you'll see for roasters is they're putting in a Sumatra and mixing it with an Ethiopian coffee or something along that line. They're getting a really deep, earthy coffee and combining it with something that's a little bit brighter, and that's where the Mocha Java Blend comes from. So I'd highly recommend you try it. It's got a whole bunch of flavors in there that are really great and fruity, but and deep at the same time, full-bodied from the Sumatra part of it. But try it, see what you like, and keep serving coffee people love.